Okay, x cube minus y cube, that is equal to x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square, x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Now x to the power 0, it becomes 1, because any number raised to the power 0, it becomes 1. Now x square minus y square, that is a plus b. Very good. Very good. Now third, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc. Okay. I'm plus 2ca. I am going to mute. But how can you conversation to you? How can I talk to you? Okay. Right. Now x to the power a into x to the power b, that is x to the power a plus b. When bases are same, then power will be added in multiplication. When bases are same, then power will be added in multiplication. Now x to the power a divided by x to the power b, that is equal to x to the power a minus b. And question number 8, formula number 8, that is x to the power a divided by x to the power a, y to the power a, then x by y whole to the power a. Okay. Now x a cube a minus b whole cube, then a, this one, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, और इसको हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab कॉमन a minus b. Okay, again, and a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab b square, then a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So dear student, all of you write down from the board. Okay. Write down. Completed. Okay. May I have the board? Ashutosh is joining or not? Is her? आशुतोष, आशुतोष, सारे बच्चे ज्वाइन करें। इजहार, पवनी पटेल, सालवी, सृष्टि, वेरी गुड। सबको मैसेज एक बार कर दीजिए कि ज्वाइन करो, हम मिटा रहे हैं इसको। ओके, पुष्कर, पुष्कर, सेंड द मैसेज अगेन। Okay, now, dear student, listen. If question, if x square plus 1 by x square equal to 14, find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. This is the question. Okay. Now, I am going to solve. Listen, all of you on the board. Ashutosh, Ashish. Here, answer, given that x square plus 1 by x square equal to 14, which is given, then we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. X cube plus 1 by x cube. Then we will write x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 2ab. अब देखो, ये अपने मन से हमने दे दिया 2ab, ये कट गया, x और x कट गया, तो -2ab कर देते हैं, -2ab इक्वल टू 14। बैलेंस कर दिए। अब इसको और इसको एक में रखे, एक्स स्क्वायर है ये, राइट। एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, then a plus b whole square we can write a plus b whole square equal to 14, x cancel, plus 2, उधर जाएगा तो साइन बदल जाएगा, निगेटिव जो है वो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, और x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 16. Now x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 4 square, square cancel. Therefore x plus 1 by x equal to 4. Write down. This is equation 1. Write down. Question is that if x square plus 1 by x square equal to 14, find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Given that x square plus 1 by x square equal to 14, so हम लोग इसमें 2ab अपने मन से ऐड कर दिए, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab दैट इज a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर. ये अपने मन से डाले तो बैलेंस करने के लिए माइनस 2ab कर दिए, दैट इज इक्वल टू 14. अब ये हो गया a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर 14 माइनस 2 उधर जाके यहां हो गया प्लस 2. नाउ x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 16. So x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 4 square. X plus 1 by x equal to 4. Completed. Write down. आशुतोष, लिख लिए पुष्कर, नहीं सब इजहार, इजहार नहीं ज्वाइन किए हैं क्या? उसको बोल दीजिए इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हो रहा है, इतना लिख लिए. ओके, नाउ हमको लाना है एक्स क्यूब प्लस 1 बाई एक्स क्यूब. अब इसको रब कर रहे हैं. Now from equation 4, now from equation 1, we will go ahead and again we will take now from equation 1, what? X plus 1 by x equal to 4. क्यूबिंग बोथ साइड, क्योंकि पावर 3 हमको लाना है, तो ये इक्वेशन को हम लोग लिखेंगे क्यूबिंग बोथ साइड. क्यूबिंग बोथ साइड तो क्या होगा, x प्लस 1 बाई एक्स होल क्यूब इक्वल टू 4 का क्यूब. क्यूब इसलिए किए ताकि हमको क्यूब के फॉर्म में लाना है. अगर स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में लाना होता तो स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड करते, राइट. देन ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस 3ab and a plus b equal to 4 cube. The cube of 4 is 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64. Then x cancel. We will write x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3. In place of x plus 1 by x, we can use 4 equal to 64. 64. Now, x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 64 minus 12. Then, x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 52. This is the answer. The value of x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 52. Right. Write down from the board, dear student, all students, boys and girls both. Please write down. Okay? Any doubt, anyone? Please ask. Now may I rub the board? Asutosh, you tell me, may I rub the board? Okay, why? Which is too bad. Srishti, may I rub the board? Okay. Now, I am going to write another question which is also important for you. Now, next question is, if x plus 1 by x equal to 3, find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Okay? Manas. Now again we will write, given that x plus 1 by x equal to 3. x plus 1 by x equal to 3. Now we will have to find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Then squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. X plus 1 by x to the power 2 equal to 3 to the power 2. Then x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x equal to 9. X cancel. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 9 minus 2. It becomes x square plus 1 by x square इक्वल टू 7. हम लोग एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में ला दिए. अब अगेन स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड फॉर गेटिंग द एक्स टू द पावर 4. फॉर गेटिंग द एक्स टू द पावर 4 again squaring both sides. Again squaring both sides. Okay. 77 square. Then x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square plus 2ab equal to 49. Now x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. X square cancel. Minus 2. Then x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equal to 47. Which is the answer? X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equal to 47. Right. Write down all of you. Pushkar, Salvi, Pawani Patel, Ashutosh, Aditya, Anishtha, Anu, Manas, Priyanshu, Preeti Kumari, Srishti, Talha, Vaibhav, Anchal. Please write down. Completed. Talha. Okay, write down please. This is important question. So dear student, please all of you write down. हो गया, सबका हो गया. आशुतोष, कैन यू टॉक टू मी? Asutosh. Now may I rub the board? Okay. Is hard. I am going to rub the board. Now next question. I am going to write next question, which is also important for your final exam, and all students must be practiced in your home. Revision is necessary for each and every student, so that in examination there should not be any hesitation. Now next question is, if question hello, okay, thank you.